You go in a gas chamber during boot camp?
I was supposed to, but the gas chamber was out of order. It was inoperable, so I never got to experience it. Yeah, so
There's a fucking chef.
I never got to do it.
Bro was wanting to. He was like, I can't wait for the gas chamber.
Oh yeah.
Sounds like some Auschwitz shit. I'm not gonna lie, dude. I couldn't keep my mouth shut
going to the chamber today.
What about the showers? Oh, they're out of order too.
Not the showers, all the chambers, bro. Gotta remember.
What about the oven? Closed for cleaning.
No. For roasting.
Wait, don't go out there! Cutter, don't go out there!
Don't go! Bye!
Wait, what did you just say? Dude, for calling me.
Ah, son of a gun.
Oh my gosh.
Ah, look at that.
Cold with a bomb coming and going.
Shit.
I swear, if I ever do a cross map with that fucking throwing knife, I'm literally just eat myself out my own window.
How would you eat yourself out of your own window?
I said yeet. I did not.
Oh, yeet. Okay.
You?
Throw myself out the window.
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing. How do you eat yourself out the window?
Gotta pull 6'9" on that shit. Hey,
Oh, hey, what's up?
That's the wrong guy.
There he is, there he is. That's him, got him. Got him.
Job.
He was hungry for some booty. Laying down pussy, thinking I thought that was a dead body.
Did we get him?
Oh, there's a camper on the other side over there.
Where?
Over where I'm looking at.
Okay.
Got him.
Ooh, triple kill.
Where's
Crazy.
it come
Eat these
from?
nuts.
There he is.
Find these guys guilty of being a bitch.
Bro. You got a sniper out there somewhere.
Bloody hell, camper.
No, dude,
Playing
over
some
here.
games to his.
He's fucking using a Renetti like a little
Playing
bitch.
some games to his in ROTC. What? What do you mean by that? My kill. Woo!
Oh, the way I just did that! I got you.
Got you.
How much would it cost to fix our fucking window?
A few $100.
There's no way to sit.
Where are you?
We'd have to break into my PS5 money. Fuck.
Bloody hell.
Yeah.
Friendly SAE on the way.
About to pull a fucking jinx here and fucking just stop my fucking desk with my foot.
Why would you do that?
There's no fucking way! I didn't even know you could hide with that little shit shack!
Deployed.
Oh yeah! Fuck off my nut! Oh my god, seriously! Hop off my dick, would you kindly?
I don't know what's more fun, playing this or listening to your commentaries.
Oh my god, this shit burning the fucking bullet!
Yeah, good times.
Good times.
Gotcha.
It's either
Yeah.
people like make you be entertained or something else.
There we go. Come on, bro.
No, not again!
Wait, can you keep reacting crazy? I need to post this on TikTok.com.
I wouldn't be surprised if there's a clip of me on YouTube somewhere raging out. I've had some funny reactions before. Wrangly racist ones.
Oh,
Package deployed.
Hey, bitch, behind the truck! He fucking waited, huh? Okay.
No, laughter though.
UAV in the area.
I can pull Winnie the Woodpecker. Ooh, anybody home?
UAV on the
has some two pop.
Let's see if you're taking this shit.
Would you?
hostiles deployed a mosquito.
Oh.
Connor, how do you have more kills than me? What the heck? Dude, I thought it was going off.
Yep, there's a sniper. Yep, his Johnson's quivering in the fucking bush.
Damn.
That was. Yeah.
Someone circumcised this little bitch. This way all his parents forgot to. I swear.
I kind of had to reciprocate the energy, but I mean, the call was so weird that it's okay.
Bro, there's no way. Where is he? I swear, man. I am playing fucking Battlefield. Cause this fucking map is bullshit.
You.
I swear. Say it's 5, I fucking die. I will literally pull a pube off my fucking nut.
That would hurt. That's very sadistic of you.
Oh, I'm a sadistic fucker.
Damn.
Holy shit!
I don't know about that, man.
That funny, got it.
Oh fuck, of course the mosquito drone.
Yeah.
The mosquito looks like a fucking hawk.
Had you kill the drone size begin there?
Damn.
Well, someone hand me a plier. I'm pulling fucking a pube.